Hey guys, so just a quick update here. So the Pro version of the IIIF150 B3 will be launching soon. I hope the Pro version has a much more better processor, than the standard B3. But I don't know yet. There are absolutely no information about the Pro version yet, but it's coming very soon. Its release date is not known, but it's confirmed that the B3 would have a Pro version and the Pro version will be released before the end of the year. So let's hope it's at least a 5G device. And another update is regarding the B3 itself. The device is currently selling for a much more discounted price on AliExpress, and of course it's a limited offer, it's a limited time event. So if you're interested in the IIIF150 B3, make sure to check out the link in the video description. I'll also put the link in the comment section. And as regarding the top features of the B3, well, here they are. So under the hood, the B3 is powered by a MediaTek Helio G96 chipset, which is extremely disappointing because, come on, it's 2024 guys. The Helio G99 would have been a little bit better. Paired with the Helio G96 is 8GB of RAM that allows for multitasking, and the device has 256GB of storage that provides plenty of space for your apps, photos and videos. The phone features a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display. 120Hz refresh rate delivers a buttery smooth scrolling experience, enhancing overall responsiveness. One of the unique features of the B3 is its circular shaped customizable rear display. This innovative design adds a touch of personality and allows for quick access to notifications and other essential information. In terms of optics, the IIIF150 B3 boasts a powerful dual rear camera setup featuring a 100MP main sensor that captures stunning photos, while the dedicated 20MP night vision camera ensures impressive low light performance. The device also features an 8MP front-facing camera that's suitable for selfies and video calls. The B3 is backed by a massive 10,800 mAh battery that provides exceptional endurance, easily lasting multiple days on a single charge. The 30-watt fast charging technology ensures quick top-ups when needed. Just like other rugged devices, it is IP68 and IP69K certified, making it resistant to water, dust and shock. It also complies with the military standard 810H, guaranteeing its durability in extreme conditions. Additional features of the B3 includes NFC for contactless payments, a walkie-talkie function for communication in remote areas, OTG support for expanding storage, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, face recognition, Bluetooth 5.0, and various navigation systems. So that's it for the video. What do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.